Winter clothing. How can you keep warm during a Canadian winter? What do you put on first? First, put on a sweater. Long underwear will keep your legs warm. Wear a toque to keep your head warm, especially your ears. Wear a scarf around your neck. Wear mittens on your hands. Gloves will also keep your hands warm. Wear a long coat on very cold days. A shorter jacket can also keep you warm. You can wear the hood on your jacket over your head. Your kids will probably wear a snowsuit or snow pants if they are older. Wear good boots on your feet to keep warm. Wear the right clothes to keep warm this winter.